So one thing you need to note is the fact that we can take this equation that we've learned and find the diameter. Okay, so I can ask you, what is the diameter of a circle with a circumference of, I'm going to say 18 today. So what we're going to do first is you are going to write the equation down. So C equals pi d. Okay, so we've written the equation down. So next, we're going to write C equals pi equals and d equals. Okay, so then we're going to take a look at our question. So we want the diameter. So I'm going to put a question mark beside the diameter because we don't know what it is yet. And we know what pi is because pi is always 3.14. So we're going to write 3.14. And then we are given the circumference, right? The circumference is 18. So we're going to write 18 in there. What we're going to do next is rewrite the equation with our information in it, okay? So that's step 1. Step 2 is to rewrite the equation with our information in it. So we are going to do 18 equals 3.14 and put a d because we don't know what the diameter is yet. So now we have to get this d alone, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 3.14 because we got to divide it on this side, which means we have to divide it on this side, which gives us, figure that out here. So we have 18 divided by 3.14. So we get 5.73 and a bunch of other decimals as our d. Okay, so we just found for the missing variable here. So we can rearrange the equation that we have to find any of these, right? So we can find circumference or we can find diameter depending on what they give us in the question. So always write C equals, pi equals, d equals, and then put a question mark in for what you are looking for. And then rewrite the equation with the information you are given, and then solve to find the missing letter.